To determine if you have an INL or INL clone arm, look for the tab under the wiper arm. If it's present, you have an INL clone arm. If it's missing, you have an INL arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Acoustix wiper blade on an INL clone arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Grab the end of the adapter, rotate up, and pull away. Locate the adapter labeled XPO within the packaging. To install, align the XPO adapter so that the arrow on the top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the base. Insert the front of the XPO adapter into the slot on the base. The adapter should catch. Press firmly until it locks into place with a click. Now remove the adapter spacer labeled P. Grasp the spacer under the arrow and pry away. Continue by removing the blue adapter spacer. Grasp the spacer under the arrow and pry away. You're now ready to install the wiper blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up or service position. You may need to consult the owner's manual for your vehicle for instructions. Locate the legs on the bottom of the adapter and notice they squeeze together. Press down on top of the adapter so the legs are sticking up. Place the adapter under the wiper arm, squeeze and hold the legs together. Press and slide the adapter into the wiper arm until it locks into place with a click. Ensure the tab on the wiper arm engages underneath the tab on the adapter. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened, remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover, and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Now activate the blade change indicator by removing the sticker. Over time, the black dot will turn yellow when it's time to change your wiper blade. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Acoustix wiper blades.